welcome to my kitchen, also known as the food lair. Today we're going to be doing Philly cheesesteak burrito. We're going to take burrito, we're going to take Philly cheesesteak, we're going to make a burrito. Let's get to it. Alright, first you got to take your meat, be right there. Take your meat, brown it, put it in the tortilla, roll it up, burrito ties it. Let's get this meat going. Alright, now I'm ready to plate it. Bring it over here to the plate. Boom. There we go. Come on in. Check this out. Oh man, this is good. This is so good. Did you catch that little cheese? Oh man. That gooey goodness of a Philly cheese burrito. It's perfect. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Please hit the subscribe button and hit that like button. Bell notification's awesome too. You gotta test. Oh man. I'll put some links in the description where you can find the cheesesteak at Walmart, or there's some links in the description to this food. I'm telling you. Thanks for watching the Food Lair.